Okay, look at that next one. Which one is larger?
I'll see. You always should do this first, because you know that to there is 90, 180, 270, 360.
Okay.
And then you have to start at the lines where they connect, because if that wasn't there, they would just be separate lines. So it has to be the one that starts all of it. These aren't exact though, so it doesn't. We're not focusing on. Yeah, we're focusing. Yeah. Yeah, circle. I mean, it's not exact or whatever. Just say that's 3. That one looks. Okay.
What are you thinking? Tell me what you're thinking. And by the way, we have other.
I mean, I think this one is bigger, obviously.
Why do you think that?
I just want to find out what it is. I mean, this, let's just estimate. I'm going to estimate that again.
Hey, I do want to remind you of something. We do have other tools over here.
Yeah, but look.
Okay, I am looking.
Estimating. So that's one piece, that's 2 pieces. Find another piece, slightly more. Oh man, you can't really do that though. I just look at this. Oh, this eraser's stale. Whatever. Good thing you made more copies. Look. I think this.
Why do you think that?
This one, there's more space in between these 2 pieces than this one.
Okay.
Because I could still do this.
So I have a question for you.
And then there's more room in between.
I have a question for you. When you drew these here, to me, that piece right there. Do you see what I'm pointing to?
Yeah.
Here, let's.
Well, no. I learned this, Dad.
Hang on a minute. I want to ask you a question.
What, Dad?
You've been talking. I want to ask you a question now.
It goes down. It goes more than the.
So I just marked that.
Yes.
Now look at this. I go over here.
Oh, yeah, Dad.
What do you notice?
They look the same.
I want you to talk to me about that a little bit.
Dad, Dad, I don't think that's right. Wait.
Show me if you can move your head up a bit so they can see what you're doing. Okay, that one.
Did you know this before? Oh, you did the coordinates on huge, bro. I don't think it's quite there. I still don't think it's.
Talk to me about that. What does that mean?
It goes farther on these sides.
So what does that mean?
This is more.
Which one's more?
Dad, look. Okay, do you have a protractor?
I don't.
Shoot. Okay. I'll still use this, I guess. I can't see this.
Can you tell me which one do you think's larger at the moment? The one on the left or the one on the right?
I still think this one.
Think that one's bigger? Why?
Because this is. This one has. Okay, look at this.
Tell me what you see.
I think this. There's the one part. No, look at this now. Yeah, Why not? Why not? Take one of these, and it's equal on the two. So I'll do this. Add another one to it. Now look.
Okay, I am looking.
Now, guess I just mark my finger slightly. Keep my pencil there. Shoot, it's gonna get somehow.
What are you, I don't understand, what are you doing? I don't get it.
Adding more and then seeing how much it would take to go around and doing the same thing with this.
Okay.
This one's bigger.
Why is that?
Okay, look at this though. See that?
Yes.
See that?
Yes.
That's this. This one is. It's just less. Look. This is. I'll show you why this is less.
Why is it less?
This is less because if this one is this one's, the top one is steeper than the other one. This one is. This one is going up.
Okay.
But slower process, and this one goes higher.
Interesting.
So if this one is slanted more. Okay, look at this.
Okay. You've this has been very.
Look, this looks a little less than halfway. Or
A little less than halfway. I don't know
like
what you mean.
This piece, I guess it's more than halfway to 90 degrees. But this is less than half. See, there's 90. And then, yeah, 90.
Gotcha.
That's
How confident are you?
I
How confident are you? It sounds to me like you're
80%.
that one on the right is larger.
Yes.
Good enough. I like 80%.
Sorry.
Sorry? What are you sorry about?
Sorry, I can't exactly solve it, but I'm pretty sure because.
Yeah.
Well,
I think you did marvelously. I liked.
Is there any more?
I like thinking about your thinking, and I like introducing this to you.
Okay.
How did you feel when I did
sure.
that? Can you explain this? Look at that. It looks almost the same.
I don't think it would be right.
Can you
though.
explain that?
don't think
Why is that not right?
I mean, you would have to you can't just move it straight or anything.
Why not?
Because you might tilt it differently or something.
It looks pretty much the same to me.
But what if this is curved like this, but then it's like two curves for this or something? Like this goes, yeah, like that. You're going farther on this side, and it's barely even touching the side of that. You could do that by accident.
I got a question. Here, let's go ahead and, I think you've talked about that one.
I understand this.
Talk to me about these.
This depends. I mean, it depends what you think. If you think...
Which one of those is larger?
Do you mean like the outside or the inside? Well, like, do you mean outside or inside?
You tell me. Pick one.
Okay.
How about just for the sake of argument, the inside?
Okay, the inside. Yeah, this one's bigger.
Why is that?
I mean, this is estimation, but yeah. 90 degrees. And then it goes farther than 90 degrees. Because this is the inside of it. So that's like, I don't know, minus 20 degrees. It looks 10 degrees less than the first.
So how big is that angle altogether, that second one? Give me an estimate.
Like this is about halfway. 45. Okay. Half of 45, but a little less than half of. And then that would have to be half of 45. 22.5, I guess.
What's 22.5?
11 degrees.
11 degrees?
So I guess you would, but it's still bigger, look.
I'm not sure I understand what you're saying.
Because this line, the main line, making it clear where it is.
Yeah?
Now let me do this first. Now you're doing the inside of these two lines, the inside.
Okay.
You know you know this is the inside because you're going this way.
Okay.
But if it was on the outside, you would go from the dot you wouldn't even include this part. You wouldn't even care about that line, really. I mean, if you were on the outside, you would be going like the opposite direction.
Okay. I'm just curious, how big is that angle?
Because
that you marked?
that's not showing the curve.
Okay.
That like that. This is on the outside because it's not this part.
How big is that angle?
In my estimates.
Yeah, just give me a ballpark.
$130.
Okay, fair enough. How about the one on the right?
No, 160 degrees.
160 degrees?
Yes.
Why 160?
I mean, I guess this 90 plus 45 because that's halfway in between.
By the way, I just said ballpark, right?
Yeah. Just look at it's. I know it's bigger though.
It's bigger though than the other one?
Yeah, because this is. It would be. This one would be way bigger.
Which one's way bigger?
If you did this one, if it's on the inside, this one's bigger.
Okay.
But if it's on the outside, this one's bigger.
That's fair enough.
Think of it as a pie graph or whatever.
Okay.
This percent of people don't want whatever, and then if you look at the people that do the opposite, it's way bigger. But if you look at the people that don't, it's way smaller.
Gotcha. I totally got it. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Let's look at that last one.